Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the creation of single sign-on on HOL lab. This lab is 2410. So we will be creating a single sign-on. So first of all you need to go into the administration part. So that is on the top left side top, there is a icon, three lines at that place. So you have to click on that, then you go to administration. In this administration you are having, at the bottom you are having a single sign-on. So here we are going to create users first. So first of all we have to create our user. So we need to make sure that we are selecting vSphere local, vSphere.local at this place. So here we can add our new user. So whatsoever user you want to create, you have to give its name. So for example, I'm just taking the name example, and the password, you can have your own password or you can use the default password that is there in VMware account. So you can take that. You have to add the description or first name or last name and email address. If you want to go with that, you can do that. So after that, just click on add. So once you have click on add, you will be able to see that there is a username with the same name. So you can see that example is now visible at this place. So after this we can add, delete or edit this user at this place, but we have to go into the groups. So just go to the group, and here you will be able to see the existing groups. So if you want to make this user as a part of the existing group, for example we are having an administrator group that is already there. So you are going to select that, then click on add it. Here you have to select your own user. Like for us, we have taken the name as example. So just use the example and just make it a part of the administrator group. Then we click on save. Once we have saved it, you will be able to see that it is going to be a part of our administrator group. So once you select this, you will be able to see example is at this place, right? So after this simply creates a example user as a part of administrator group. If you want to create your own group, you can create that, there is no issues. So for that, if you want to create a new group, you can simply go back and you can simply click on add. Here you will be able to create a new group as well. If you want to do that, you can also add the members into the group. Just make sure that when you are doing this, all the administrator and the virtual infrastructure that is there, that is also the part of your group, where you are creating a group for a new user. Okay, so once you have done with the creation of the users and the groups, then you are going to the global permissions tab that is on the in the access control on the top. So go there, make sure that you have vSphere local at this place. Then you are going to click on add. Now, once you have click on add, here you will be able to see the role of administrator user slash group. Like you can use a group at this place or you can use a username. So I'm having the user as example. So I'm going to use that example. Click on OK. So it is going to add a example as a administrator. Okay, once it is done, so you are good to go. So what you can do is, you can also assign the roles if you want, like what sort of roles you want to give to the administrator. If you have read only group, what sort of rules you want to give. So you can do all that stuff at this place, because sometimes when you are inside a company, you will need to do the assign different roles to different users which are there. You can't allow everyone to get the administrative rights. So that is why there are different roles and positions available. So here you are going to click on the global permissions. We have already added that. You are able to see it at this place. If you want to add it or delete it, you can do that. Now we are ready to go with the example account for the single sign-on. Let us just log out from here. Once we log out, so now here, instead of using the administrator, Let me just use the example @vsphere dot local, and the password which I have kept, I'm going to use that password. You can use whatsoever password you have kept for this login. So once you click on login, you will be able to enter here. So now this is what the single sign-on service is. So you will be able to use a single account in order to control all the infrastructure that is out there. So you can see all the things at this place, like all the regions, all your resources that are there. So you will be able to see all of them. Now here you can see I'm using example account. You can use your own account if you want. That is not a problem. So that is all for the single sign-on login. So how you can create a new user, how you can create a group, and how you will be able to assign him with the global permissions. So that completes your single sign-on topic.